This is the only GoPro camera accessory kit you need, and I'll tell you why. So why is this the only GoPro accessory kit you need? Well, it's only £17, which is about $22, which is nothing. And you get so much stuff in here. It's ridiculous. And I'm going to show you everything now, and let me know, is there anything missing from this kit which you need? First thing I'm going to do is place my action camera onto this head mount and record the rest of this video. So now I've got the head mount on, and yeah, it feels really good. It's nice and tight. It's got rubber lining on the inside so it grips to your head, and the plastic at the front, it doesn't hurt at all. Okay, let's get on with the video and I'll show you what else you get in the kit. So number one is the head mount, and here you've got the bicycle mount or the motorcycle mount, and it comes with two extension thingies. Got the mini tripod with 3 legs which are bendable, so you can wrap it around stuff. And have a look at this. If you pull down the foam, it's like metal, which is just bendable, which is interesting. And here you've got a wrench, which is used just to tighten things up, like the bolt and the screw, which you probably wouldn't use. You just use your hands. Here you've got 2 buckles which go or clip onto the mount. And here are the mounts themselves. So these are 2 flat mounts, so the back of them are flat, and they come with 2 adhesive pads. And the buckle just goes in there. And we got here is it's like a wrist strap. So you get this piece of Velcro, which is it's quite strong and good quality, I'd say. So you thread that through here and thread it through there, and then you place this on your wrist and then just tighten it up. And the top, you stick the GoPro on there, and you can spin this around, but it's quite hard to do. Here you've got 2 screws, and this is called a clip, I think rotational clip. So you clip it onto things like your backpack, but it's really strong. See? And you got the suction mount for your car, so you can tilt it back and forth, and the head turns left and right. This one is quite interesting. So if you're on holiday and you're going snorkeling, you can stick your GoPro onto this yellow thing, which is quite strong plastic filled with air, and you got this handle strap thing as a safety thing, so if you just in case you drop your GoPro, it won't fall to the bottom of the sea. This one's quite a good one. It's called a chest mount or chest strap. Buckles are very strong, the elastic's very strong, the plastic on the front's really strong. The way this works is you wear it and you clip it on like that. You get one of these buckles with the GoPro on. You can attach it on. You can either do it from the top or the bottom, which is good, but it's very secure, very firm. I really like this one. Here's just a plastic bag to hold something in. 2 more mounts. Only difference with these mounts, they're curved at the back. This is a tripod mount, so you'd stick this on top of a screw of a tripod. This is like a security thing, so you stick it on something and use the rope to attach it to the GoPro in case it falls off. This is for a bicycle helmet, so you just strap it on the top. This is, I think it's called a J-hook. It's a buckle which goes onto the mount and it's curved, so you get a better angle. You get 2 of these, so that's the second one. This is interesting. This is what is it called? It's called an extension arm It's for a helmet. So use the mount and the clip. It goes in like that, and then using these screws, you get two of them, one small, one large. You'd screw this arm into it, and it's quite good. It gives you a different angle, so you can bend it all the way back, all the way forward, and flip it around and get a better angle. This is a wrist strap, I believe, or ankle strap, I'm not sure. It's quite small, so I think it's for the wrist. This, I'll be surprised if you don't know what this is. So you got Selfie Stick. Don't expect it to be that great. As you can see, no, it's quite flimsy. But you can use it as a vlogging camera, or vlogging stick, sorry. It's quite strong when it's short. And a whole load of anti-fog inserts. Here you got the carrying box, which is really good, really solid. You can chuck everything in and get everything in with extra space. So that's your lot. You get a lot of stuff for only £17 or $22. If you want to buy this, I've got the link in the description below. And as always, if you like this video, give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know how you get along with all these items, if they could become useful for you. And until next time, thanks for watching.